All right, let's look at the homework at 10.6, problem number 6. Let's do this problem. All right, so consider the equation below. So you have a polar equation, and we want to find the eccentricity. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing is, since I would like to have 1 here, so we're going to turn that into 1. Easiest way would be we divide top and bottom by 3, so or multiply by 1/3. So you have 1/3 here, 1/3. All right, so you end up getting would be 12 divided by 3 is 4 on top. All right, 3 divided by 3 is 1, which is exactly what we wanted. And 13 divided by 3 is, I guess I have to write 13 over 3. And we have a cosine of theta. All right. So this is in the kind of a standard form here. All right, then we look at this number. So this is going to be our E. So this is E right here. All right, so let's plug it in. All right, so it's 13 over 3 is our eccentricity. All right, let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, let's move on to part B. All right, since E is greater than 1, looks like it's going to be a hyperbola. So let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, it came back. It looks like we got the part B correctly as well. And then we want to find an equation of a directrix. All right, so let's find that. All right, to find that, we have to find the D value. All right, so remember that here, this guy, the numerator here, is E times D. All right, and which has to be equal to 4. So E is, we just found out that the 13 over 3, and times D has to be equal to 4. All right, so we just have to solve for D. All right, so we're going to multiply by reciprocal of 13 over 3, so it's 3 over 13. All right, so that's going to give us D, because 3 cancel out, 13 cancel out. And 4 times 3 over 13 would be 3 times 4 is 12 over 13. All right, then directrix is going to be, let's see, so we have to determine, since we're using a cosine, so it's going to be a vertical directrix, so it's going to be x equals, right? Then we have to determine plus or minus, and then we actually see this is a negative sign, so we're going to have a negative sign, and the D value is 12 over 13, right? So let's type that in. So oops, that's not what I wanted to do, right? So it came out with, we came out with x equals negative 12 over 13, right? So let's see, yep, so that's what oops. All right, so let's double check. All right, submit for testing. All right, it came back, we got the part C correctly. All right, so we know that it's a hyperbola, so let's find the correct picture. All right, so first two are definitely not the correct one because it doesn't look like hyperbola, right? So we look at these two, right? Then we look at the, let's see, equation of the directrix is a vertical one, right? So it's going to have, let's see, so it's going to go have a picture facing left and right, not instead of up and down. So the picture is going to be definitely that guy. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Oops, submit for testing. All right, it came back and it looks like we have the right picture. All right, and that's it. I hope that this was clear.